Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week, and today we're going to talk about how to use your radar to make landfall on a coastline, take your boat into an anchorage, and keep your boat on course inside a narrow passage. We look for a point ahead of the boat to know where to turn. In this case we've chosen point A. We measure this distance with our dividers and write that down. When our radar shows that we are that distance from point A, we can turn north toward the anchorage. We want to make sure that we stay on our course as we enter the anchorage, so we choose 2 points off our beam and again measure the distance to points B and C. We record this distance in our log. Now as we enter the anchorage, we will adjust our course so that the range to points B and C remain the same as the distances we have measured and recorded. To know when you've arrived at your anchorage, choose a point ahead of the boat. In this case we've chosen point D. Measure the distance from point D back to the anchor spot. Record this distance in your log. Now you know when to stop the boat and lower the anchor. Use these easy sailing tips to help you make landfall, take your boat into an anchorage, and keep your boat on course inside a narrow passage. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.